Yeah.
This is a good one. Trained on Unity, designed for game development. So Unity is an AI framework. Lets you, like, if you're making I don't know, like a first-person shooter or any kind of other 3D game, this is like the graphics toolbox, playground, physics engine that you could play in and have your game be based in. So what does Unity AI do, and why are we talking about it?
So I'm not.
Should we watch it?
I think in the interest of time, probably not. We need to get going soon. But I'm not a game developer, but I have a lot of friends in the game development industry, and it's a very interesting space. What's interesting about this is the space and the way that it's positioned. It's like a paid MCP server that gives your agent very in-depth knowledge of the game engine and how to program it. So it's interesting how they're adopting that, where, yeah, you have to pay a monthly fee, but it's, very low fee. Like if you are a professional game developer, like this is one of your tools. And it's going to greatly accelerate your progress in developing with that agent. So this is kind of like when people were first realizing they could hook up Claude Code to some kind of 3D rendering, I forget which one, engine. And it was amazing to see like your agent be able to like do things in 3D. So I feel like this is very exciting, where you can essentially have your AI agent be a game developer. I think this is going to do two things. It's going to transform the game development industry, which obviously all software development industries need to adopt AI, but it's going to do it in a ostensibly much more grounded and deeply integrated way, beyond what would be possible just pointing your harness at the documentation or something. And the other is it lowers the barrier to entry for people to dabble. Like, yeah, I don't have to pay the hundreds of dollars a month pro subscription. I could use the free subscription and maybe try out a 14-day free trial or $10 a month if I want to, be a hobbyist and, do something that I wouldn't have been able to do previously because I'm not a professional Unity programmer.
I'm really looking forward to trying this out, and especially I've got two teenage kids who, we're talking about tech and AI. And this seems like a great way because, like, I don't know anything about this. I'm not a gamer. I don't even know what questions to ask, but I can appreciate the complexity. Like when I'm doing my own programming, I know enough about programming that I can feel like I can have a back and forth with an AI agent. But with gaming, I don't know. Do your thing. And to have like all of this accumulated knowledge, right, about physics, about collisions, and about timing. And all of this stuff, like, I guess, what's that law? Like, I know enough to know that I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to
Dunning-Kruger. Yeah.
Yes. I am in the trough of that graph. I do not, but I'm smart enough to know that I don't know anything about gaming. And so having this store of accumulated knowledge and be able to get it for $10 a month, that seems like it's worth a shot. The other model that I can think about that's similar is Fusion 360. So that's put out by SolidWorks, who makes that and AutoCAD. They have a version of that that's like free to use if you're a hobbyist. I've got these 3D printers back there, and I use Fusion 360. I know that tool and its big brother, AutoCAD, like you can design, sophisticated machinery and engines and all that stuff. And I'm using it to, make plastic little things. But I appreciate the size of what's behind it. And I think this is a similar argument to be made for Unity. This is cool. Thanks for bringing this up to the attention. Okay, we've got, I think, 3 more. We're going to burn through these really fast. I know you have to go.